This 7.2 metre by 2.5 metre boat just comes in all in at 1.3 tonne with a further additional payload of 1400 kilos. We've got this paired here at the moment with 175 horsepower Suzuki outboard. It is rated up to a 200, however, this obtains a maximum speed of about 35 knots with the 175. We've got within here each individual locking, secure locking, lots of dry storage for life jackets that go through. The Shark suspension seats. So these Shark suspension seats are fantastic, okay, for a nice comfy ride as you're driving through what you need to do with the hydraulic steering, the fly-by-wire, the dual Suzuki digital screens, as well as a 12-inch Garmin chart plotter. These seats can be quickly removed by the front and the back where you've got some bolts, stainless steel bolts, and they can be removed. You've got a good working area for everything that you do.